Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to show you a couple of things that have been improved over at BetaFPV. Now, I've done quite a few videos on BetaFPV style whoops, and they do a really nice job of building those things out, particularly things like the Air65 and the Air75. And they have improved the frames here. So these are the Air65 2 and the Air75 2 improved frames. I thought it'd be interesting to have a chat about these because they've put a bit of effort into this and trying to improve what's already quite a nice design. The headlines for this is that they have changed the shape of some of the bracing on the frame to reduce the amount needed, so that ultimately reduced the weights, which is good. Also improves the duct shape for the props. They've improved the rigidity to help suppress vibration. They've also tweaked the material that this thing's made out of. So although it's a little bit firmer, it's still very tough. They have retained the motor slot design, which I think is a good idea, but they have enlarged the flight controller holes. Apparently some people, when they were putting, the little screws in for the flight controllers, were kind of breaking open those posts. They've improved that, which is welcome. There are several other mods here, including things like lower profile ducts that will support shorter motors. So if you've had one of these and you have shorter motors, this will be a better option for them. The Air75 frame weight now is only 4 grams. And crucially, it's 10% less than the original version 1 Air75 frame. I think that was about 4.45 grams. Now that might not sound a lot, but actually every gram on a whoop makes a massive difference to the way that it flies. And they're reckoning in the test that they've done that these combined changes give you about a 5% increase in power for an Air65, like for like with the electronics, and about an 11% increase on the Air75. Both of these are made out of PP. The Air65 2 brushless whoop frame is 2.65 grams. Again, the weight for the Air75 one is 4 grams. Wheelbase on the Air65 is 65 millimeters. That's where the 65 comes from. So guess what? The Air75 is a wheelbase of 75 millimeters. Motor mounting, flight control installation holes is the same on both. They're 25.5 by 25.5 flight controller mounts. And the battery slot size is 11.4 by 6.2 millimeters on the Air65 and 16.3 by 6.3 millimeters on the Air75. So if you have been looking at either building a whoop, or maybe you have an existing Air65 or Air75 that maybe you've managed to snap the frame, I would look for these rather than get the version 1s. They're worthwhile getting hold of just for those improvements. While we're talking about things that have changed, they've also updated the Express LRS Lite receiver. This is the one that has that little flat antenna. And these are actually great for things like whoops. They're super small, super lightweight. You don't get massive range with them. So this is only weighing 0.46 grams. With this flat antenna style, it's 11 by 10 by 3 millimeters. Telemetry power is only 17 milliwatts, so you're not going to get too far. Again, it's 2.4 gig. Input voltage 5 volts, and it has that integrated SMD ceramic antenna. This new version has been tweaked to boost the signal transmission, so it should be a little bit better. Again, these are probably the ones that you want if you are looking to buy these to build a whoop or put it in a little park flyer that you're going to be zooming around relatively close in. So it's nice to see BetaFPV continuing to improve the products and bring it out. I know there is a school of thought which says, well, hang on a minute, why do you keep changing things? And that is a common criticism of BetaFPV. They do rev their product relatively frequently. However, it does mean that for those of you that are whoop flyers that are looking to get a better frame that's a little bit lighter and gives you a little bit more power, and potentially have a receiver that will give you a little bit more range and performance, they have these products. Links below if you want to go and check them out.
Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.